Hello my technical friends, this is TestOut Linus Pro and we are in lab 4.2.4 and we are going to set the GRUB timeout. The IT manager in your organization has asked you to change the GRUB timeout parameter from 5 seconds to 10 seconds in order to give users more time to make a menu selection from the GRUB menu before the default operating system is booted. So in this lab, your task is to change the GRUB underscore timer parameter from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. Write the new GRUB settings to the grub.cfg file. Review the operating system to verify the changes made to the wait time from the GRUB menu, and log in as root using this password. Alright, so I guess that is all we need to do in this lab. Let's go ahead and start up lab. So we wait for this lab to load. So in case you find this video to be helpful, you might also want to consider joining my professional membership, where you get insider spec and detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the TestOut lab at all, whether Security Pro, Network Plus, Network Pro, Linus Pro. Alright, so we just wait for this to load. Alright, so this is loaded. So we type in nano /etc / the fall /grub, press enter. And let's see what we have here. So change this time to 1:05. GRUB, no, it's supposed to be 10. Change it from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. And alright, so let's see. So this is gonna be update -grub, and then you press enter. And then type in reboot. Okay, let's see what we have. Scroll down to home, press enter, let's see. Alright, let's go ahead and score lab. If you find this video to be helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit. Also, like and subscribe to the channel. Consider joining my professional membership, where you get detailed one-on-one video guide on how to solve any of the tested lab. Thank you for watching, and I will definitely see you in my next video.